morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we have a pretty cool day. We're gonna go to Redbank Cars and Coffee, about a half-hour drive. Ooh. We got Kyle here. We're gonna go meet up with a couple other buddies at a local Wawa, and then we're gonna roll out to the Cars and Coffee.
All right, you go next. Is there?
Dude, I'm not even washing it.
It's clean. It's not bad. It's fine. Yeah. Yeah. Just got to Cars and Coffee. This was the Grove in Shrewsbury. We're like the first ones here. That's rare. We're usually not up that early. But yeah, I guess we'll wait here. Wait for cars to roll in. I'll do a little walk around and everything. But other than that, we're just booing. It's like a Model T just rolled in. Crazy. This thing's pretty sick. Another GTR, Black Edition. Adam's wiping his car down. I might wipe the STI down a little bit of bugs. Other than that, wheels aren't that bad. Not that bad, Nick. The wheels.
No, I tried cleaning it.
Yeah. Black Edition. It's 8:01 right now, so we got here early. Just started a minute ago. Got a Ferrari. Couldn't tell you what. I think a 430 rolling in. Right over there. I'll update you guys in like 15-20 minutes when there's a bunch of cars here. Right now it's not many because they're just starting. Alright, so Tom pulled up out of nowhere.
Hey!
He's here. Going hella cars now. We're gonna do a little lap. GT3 RS, sick. Another GT3 RS over there, sick. Bunch of Corvettes. Oh, there's the M3. This thing is so sick. This is on the list for sure. I love these. Look at the color. BC forged wheels. Holy damn. This thing's sick. Damn. One of the best cars here, honestly. Got Adam's car. Stock Adam's car. Yo, Tom, look at the Adam's car stock. That's funny.
Okay. So he wants to give me the gap?
Yeah, probably gap you.
No, he would, not probably. Look how big that intercooler is. He's got a big turbo in there.
So why'd you buy an ST over this?
I don't know.
This is nicer.
I picked the wrong carton of eggs.
Dude, sell it immediately. This thing's pretty sick.
That's clean.
I like them.
Yeah.
I heard.
Got the carbon wing on the back too.
I think it's a Ford GT over. Oh yeah, it's over there.
That's the first time I've ever seen one in person.
Yeah, it's one exhaust. Is that a Toma? Yeah, that Scuderia is fire. This thing's sick. Clean, like the yellow calipers. That carbon wings fire. The diffuser, holy shit. That thing's nice. ACR, 4GT, SVJ, R32s, GT350 actually, not 500. What am I saying? SVJ, thing's nuts. New GT3, got the old GT3. Old school beamer. Dude, what is this? I don't know what this is. Z8. Manual. I don't know what year it is. It's probably old. I never saw that in my life. Old GT3 compared to the new GT3. Both red, fire. This E90 is fire. I like this, bro. Look at this.
Love it.
BBS's.
Is that OEM color?
No, it's wrapped.
Nice though.
Yeah. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Come on.
Yeah, that kid just broke in.
That's embarrassing.
Kid just broke in.
Dad's car.
That's funny. He still has the window sticker on it, bro. What?
Subtle flex.
Scuderia though, nice. That is nice.
Damn, that thing's fire.
Wow. You don't see people do that to the old Corvettes ever.
Yeah, what is that? Is that like a
What's a
kit?
Corvette?
That's
The original one.
what year?
I think 50 something.
What's your opinion on that, bro?
Google.
No, that, I like that. That's fire.
Actually, no. That's tight.
E93, I think. I think they're 3 because it's convertible. Yeah. GT350, M3.
Don't even walk over here yet.
I mean, yeah, I know. Oh yeah, there's a FD down here. Peep this guy's plate, bro. This guy's plate. That thing's sick. Damn.
Aglo TEs.
Yeah, that's fire. Right hand drive.
You're just missing a little carbon access. That's TJ Hunt.
Wow. Yeah, it's like TJ Hunt.
Legit.
Wow.
The only thing different is TJ Hunt has carbon diffuser, carbon mirrors.
He's put more money into it.
Yeah, pretty much. But honestly,
Wow.
it's like perfectly. Is that a toenail?
Then we got this. Gallardo GTR M3 Fox body Nismo 370. What is it? S8 bagged. Damn, what do you not air out in the rear?
Nah, dude, he's gonna like destroy his fender.
Damn.
Pivot on point.
What is this? S3 Urus R8, another M3, green GT3 over there. That thing's fire. Type R,
Nice color.
R35s, AMG down there. A lot of sick cars here. Where are we? This is what this is called the this is the Grove in Shrewsbury.
This is where we are?
Yeah.
Right.
Damn, look at Nick's car all the way over there. Damn, fire. This thing's sick. Look at the roll cage.
Yeah, it's clean. Gutted.
Wow. Yeah!
What you don't expect.
I heard it slow.
I heard it slow.
Bro, I want the tires off this thing. There we go.
Rip that, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, it's a manual.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Come on.
Oh, it's gonna try to put this on.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Let's go, Chad. Let's
Rip it up. What? That's beautiful. Snapple crack pop, boy. Get him hype. Get him hype.
Let's hear it. Let's hear them crackles.
Rev it up. Whose is louder?
Who's louder?
Who said his is better than yours?
Yeah, yo.
But his is a limited paint color. So whose is actually better? He's fast? That thing's slow.
Should we?
I want to see this thing.
Is he gonna send it?
Let's go. Should we go talk to him?
Yeah, go get him to tell him. Talk to him. Talk to him.
Tell him this guy's telling him he's slow.
Tell him he's telling him it's slow. Tell.
They're off to do the Derby ring, bro.
Man,
Sounds like Forza. Sounds
that's
like
sick.
Forza. Oh. Oh.
Woohoo! Damn! All right, boy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they're hype, bro. They're hype. Yeah, they're hype.